Are you ready to put your English listening skills to the test? This quiz is a great way to practice your listening comprehension. Good luck! Oliver wakes up early in the morning, at around 6 a.m. He brushes his teeth and takes a quick shower. He then has breakfast, which usually consists of toast and coffee. After that, he leaves for work. He works as a software engineer at a tech company. He usually takes the bus to work, but today he decides to walk since it's a beautiful day outside. On his way to work, he stops at a coffee shop to get another coffee. He finally arrives at work at around 8:30 a.m. He spends most of his day in front of the computer, coding and attending meetings. During his lunch break, he goes to a nearby park to get some fresh air and eat his packed lunch. After work, he meets up with some friends at a bar to watch a football match. They have a few drinks and enjoy the game. Oliver then takes an Uber home and goes to bed, ready for another day.